Okay, welcome to today's evening session. Today's session, Sharu is going to conduct. She's again a friend of mine from school. Now. So we were in the same school. Don't never ask us we really went to. So that's gonna be really. All right. So that is there. Sharayu has done her engineering from Nagpur. She has been working in the industry, IT industry, for a long time now. Some time ago, she discovered her passion for. Sorry, you got a तुझा जो एखादा माईक असेल ना इंस्टाग्रामचा आहे त्याला हे करून दे त्याचा आवाज कमी करून दे फक्त म्हणजे इको येतो सो शी डिस्कवर्ड हर पैशन फॉर आर्ट कुछ टाइम पहले एंड नाउ शी इज डूइंग रियली वेल शी इज कंडक्टिंग and she's been part of a lot of art groups in Nagpur. So she'll talk to you about Mandala art today. You take the stage now. You are on spotlight. Yes, okay, we are good to go.
Yeah. So hi everyone, and thank you Ajinkya for considering me. So I welcome everyone.
So, guys, I'm as good as you. So, if I do any mistakes, just pardon me. So, myself Shariyu Kundar, and I go as a shorts on Instagram. So, am I audible, Ajinkya?
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm audible.
एक सेकंड तुझा आवाज नाही येत
Yeah,
you are audible. You're audible.
yeah. So I'm a software engineer by profession. So like as a kid, I used to scribble here and there on walls, on sketchbooks and everything. Then life happened, and like every other Indian kid, I did engineering and landed a job in an IT profession. So I observed myself trying new skills like scribbling and doodling while on the job or also on a daily. After some point, like became lethargic, like it's not fun. So I came across just like while scrolling through Pinterest, I came across this art form which is dot painting. I then did a little research and did little bigger on that, and I came across this form. So then I combined, then I came across mandala. So what mandala basically means is a Sanskrit word. It means universe, which represents a circle. It's nothing but placing different patterns in the form of mandala. So I combined dot painting and mandala. So to get proper hands-on, I attended a workshop in Mumbai and explored the art form. So while doing it, the more I learned, the more I wanted to pursue it. So initially, what I started is as my weekend hobby. It slowly became my passion. So first, let me give you idea. So this is normal mandala. That's a mandala, and this is the dot painting. Okay, so mandala is nothing but circular art form, and this is dot painting. So what I did is I combined dot painting and mandala. So this is dot mandala in the form of circle, like placing each dots in a symmetrical circle. So in these 2 years, Ajinkya asked me to do a little motivation to the students. So in these 2 years, what I've learned is I will share with you. First thing is really important. What I observed is affirmation. You need affirmation from your side. So talking with yourself helps a lot. Uh, See, our conscious mind needs everything, like what we are planning, what we are going to do in future. It needs the constant feeling and constant confidence that what we are going to do, what it will be it any other art form, be it dance, clay modeling, architecture, anything. Our conscious mind needs that. Whatever you think, what I feel, it's be it positive or negative, it will be your, it will be purely your idea. It will be all yours, very raw, and it helps you to create what you aim to be, what your goal is. And the next thing I believe is visualization. What I believe is success comes in two forms. First, in our heart, that yes, whatever I have created, even if it's a single line or dot, yeah, I have done it. I have achieved very high level drawing or whatever. And secondly, in reality. So uh, to come it into reality, this visualization helps. When we start something and it turns out as what we expected, this visualization helps to create something very beautiful. And third thing, what I observed is scribbling. Scribbling helps a lot. Like nowadays, we do have a lot of social media platforms, and we get our ideas. Always take screenshots, save your inspirations, scribble here and there. I always like, even I'm on job, I do here and there scribbling, write my ideas. It's like nothing but a journaling. So whatever you create, it helps your ideas, inspirations, and everything. So what I mean is, only you know what you can create. Only you know what your forte is. Be it playing with a single line or single dot, or doing big architects or doing dancing, singing, any art form. You know what your forte is. You can do whatever you can switch anytime, whenever you need. So this is overall my experience, and I'll share some art forms with you. So this is on a canvas I have done. This is a canvas painting. Uh, this is dot paintings in the form of mandala. So as you can see, this is a sacred geometry I have prepared. So you can play a lot. Dot painting is, in real life, I would say, I have gained a lot of patience through this art form. You need a lot of patience, and it really calms our mind and body. While placing each dot, you will observe this. It really calms and helps my body to be have patience and to be sound. And this is another blue mandala I have created. You can go through my page on Instagram, SS Dots.
Do you want me to share that page as a screen so that you can explain your work?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Do you want me to go on your page?
Yeah, sure.
I can share the screen.
Yeah.
You can see the screen now, right?
Yes. This is just a little quarantine experiment I did like in last week. This is a wall I transformed with geometric mural, and it turned out pretty well. I didn't expect it to be this much good, but I really liked it how it turned out. I'm still exploring and learning in this field, trying different ideas every day. This I have done with the help of masking tapes, all geometry. No need of
Yeah,
this.
okay. This is the workshop you were conducting, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it is going to be there.
This is the coming workshop on the Sunday, where I'm going to teach this peacock structure of dot painting, peacock color combination, as you can see on mug.
Do you want me to play this video?
No, please. Next.
Achha, this is
Again, a
another
mandala
workshop.
workshop. This is Jewel mandala workshop. As you can see, in the center, I have created a jewel-like effect. It's basically a crystal ball. I have turned it into mandala. So, see, mandala has a very vast option. You can explore and you can experiment with lot of things. Mandala, it's nothing but henna patterns. We can always combine it with mandala. It's nothing but you just have to place little designs across the circle. Mandala is nothing but universe, circle.
Should I go next?
Yeah, just scroll down. Don't. I'll show them that dot painting with picture in the center. This is my very first mandala. I'm not.
No, you are not serious.
I
No,
was
it's not.
just learning. I was just learning. This is my very first, and as you can see, dots are not that perfect. I have left the center space blank as it is. So, but I have come a long way, and I'm still learning.
Okay.
This is our, we did a little collaboration with 7 artists for 7 days. So each day there was a theme we all did. So this art theme was letter art. So my name is Sharyu, which starts with S, and you can see this blue as a river. Sharyu is a river name. So I did that idea in this art form.
Nice, nice.
So this is the galaxy mandala which I've done with Jasmine cartoon. This is also mandala. She's looking towards the sky, and that's the galaxy mandala I've done. You can play with mandala whatever you want. So this theme was music, and I did this guitar. This is doodling, scribbling, which I told you earlier while I was on job. I always used to do this.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is theme for flower, and I have used watercolors. I'm still exploring watercolors. I'm not that pro. So yeah, obviously. Ajay, can you close this and come little down?
Okay,
I would
yeah,
like
yeah.
to show.
Which one? This one?
This Buddha.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here I have combined line art and mandala. As you can see, with the help of lines, I am showing how positivity flows from that end to here. And mandala, and with the Buddha in center, I did this for Buddha Purnima. As I told you, you can explore as much as you want in mandala.
Right. You just tell me when you want to go next.
Yeah, you can go next to that Earth with Mars.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the actual dot painting, and I have I have joined it with mandala in the form of circle, and these are small dots. It took me 9 hours to complete this painting, as it takes time to dry each layer, and then we put all dots around after each layer. So this is Earth with mask for Corona especially.
Nice.
Okay,
Next.
Yes. No, back. This my hand with pencil down.
No, this one? No. Which one are you saying?
No, below
Hey?
that. No, down. त्याच्या खाली. ते खाली Fच्या side. This one.
Hey, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is basic mandala grade. What I've done is I have taken the center of this MDF board, and with the help of protector, I have marked 10 degrees angle. And as you go by each circle, so this is the basic mandala grid I have created. I don't currently have the final product of this mandala, but this was the mandala and dot painting I have combined with art walls.
Nice. You want me to go to the other artwork?
Next, that galaxy mandala I have created. Yeah.
This one?
This one, yeah. So this is the Saturn. I have given the mandala effect to this. You can see these are nothing but little henna patterns which we use in a mandala, and you can create a beautiful mandala out of
Do you want to talk about this one? This is really nice.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's one of the MDF design that I've ordered, and I have placed this in like my study room. This is also dot painting. I have placed different colors of dots on white base. I usually take black as my base, as when we do any mistakes, you can always correct it with black paint, and all colors look beautiful on black. So like, but for this I went for white and played with colors, and it turned out really pretty.
Which
Come
one?
down, show that is letter alphabet mandala, you can say. I have choose letter F. It's my like roommate's name. So yeah, this is also mandala in the letter alphabet mandala.
What about this? Or maybe this one?
Yes. This full. Take a full picture. So as you can see, I do take customized orders, and I won't say I'm a pro, but little by little I'm going there. This was ordered by a client who wanted to give their friends as a wedding gift. So this is a dot painting. What I've done is I have selected the color palette which will go with the whatever they have wore their costumes. I went with a teal blue color, pink, red, and white as well, and pink, little pink. Yes.
Nice.
So this is dot painting plus mandala.
This is dot painting plus mandala.
Plus mandala. Yeah, mandala is like circular shapes, right?
Right.
So in that circle, I have placed all dots and I've created dot painting plus mandala.
Perfect. This one you want to talk about?
Yeah, that's the opening. Yeah, this is the rainbow dot painting. This was again a gift by client to their friend. I have created a rainbow colors with the help of rainbow colors. See in the center where I have placed simply where I have placed sacred dots beside those leaf-like structure, that is dot painting, and across it that is mandala plus dot painting. This is one of my favorites. It looks like it's lighting like around the picture. I have used animated picture as client wanted, not clients wanted the animated picture of it and not the regular picture. So it's looking very beautiful.
Okay. This.
Yeah, this is also dot painting plus mandala. Show them that Om one. Yes, so this is a torus shape around the Om I have created. That is a sacred geometry shape. My grandparents wanted this for their hallway. So I have created this sacred geometry with dot painting, and I have created this Om structure, dot painting with mandala.
Oh, I love this series, यार. ये series खूप छान झाली होती. Can we go through this एक बार?
This I have collaborated with one of my Instagram friend Pallavi. So we did this for 9 days for Navratri with 9 colors. It's a blue color, Krishna we have done. Every day for each color we did. This is dot painting and Devi.
These are phases of moon, क्या?
Yes, eclipse.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah,
so, okay. Oh.
This is polygon lion I selected as my center image, and then I did a dot painting. This, as I just showed you, same I have right now.
Shrayu, your Instagram has stopped. You might be getting a call or something.
Wait, I will join again.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
sending you request again, okay?
So these are dot paintings that Sharayu does, and this is a series that she
I will
was doing
request.
for, yeah, Navratri, 9 colors, 9 days. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. So this is which I showed you, the same
Oh,
painting that I had. This is
right.
again dot painting plus mandala around the circle I have created, and I have given little fish here. Like I'm showing that it's diving into this. Like,
Can you see my screen, Sharayu?
yes, yes, this is
Yeah.
like half heart shape I have done.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Yeah, this one is I tried to do sunflower plus champa flower, mandala in the middle, and normal canvas painting for the leaf fillet.
Right. This is so lovely.
This was first day. So this is again dot painting with mandala.
Acha.
Close. So yeah, this was my very first dot painting order, which I delivered to Hyderabad. So client wanted this combination, so I did it. I really liked it. This is the Ganesh mandala which I've done. This is I have
Oh,
placed it at my home. I will show you. This is again dot painting plus mandala.
okay.
It also took me 3 to 4 days to complete this whole painting, and the result
Sharayu,
is
will you show that painting again on the screen? Yeah.
able to see.
Yeah. We can see now. We can see. I'm sharing the screen again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
So in this piece, this is again a dot painting. In this, I have the center I have done is a South Indian Rangoli. When I was in Hyderabad, I got so inspired with these, so I created as a, like you can say, memory drawing, and that South Indian Rangoli pattern in the center and dot painting around it.
Nice.
So
Everything
there's
starts with a dot, they say.
yes, and there's a lot to explore with mandala as well as dot painting. You can
Uh,
always experiment with
with
this.
this,
This is a rainbow effect I have given, like rainbow colors I selected. This is again dot mandala I have gifted to my friend.
this is string art, no?
This is string art. Yes, I'm planning to now combine dot painting and string art. But as you know, because of lockdown, I'm short of supplies. But in future, I will surely explore this.
Sounds like a lovely concept.
Yes.
This is a cup. Acha, iska
Yeah.
workshop is going to happen, na?
Yes. And this is the very first workshop I have attended on dot painting to explore this art form. So yeah, this took 3 hours for this.
3 hours.
Yes, to place each dots, and it takes time to wait to get those layers get wet, and then only we can start the next layer. So whenever I do see, consider this as a considering this mug. I'm giving you example as it's ceramic. When we play with acrylic colors on it, they get peel off very easily. So what we did in this workshop, to seal it, we used a transparent nail paint actually. But after I explored, and then I have started now using varnish for canvas. So on ceramic, it's really easy. If we do any mistake with simple earbuds, we can just remove the dots. But when it comes to canvas, as I do on canvas, we have to wait, we have to apply black color again, whatever base color we select, and then start again. So I have observed with ceramics and glass base, it's easier than compared with canvas. This is what I have experienced in previous.
Nice. Uh,
Yeah, I simply like it was
okay.
very starting. This also I did around like August, like no, 26 January. Yeah.
Nice, yeah. These are really nice. Oh yeah, this one. This one I love.
Ah, yes, but I did this with poster color, but always remember on like as you all must be aware on canvas we always use acrylic. I did this while I was still exploring and like and I used poster color, which is like
How detailed? Wow, it is. It's a lot of detailing
yes.
going on. How much time did this one take?
This as it was very initial, it I spent the whole Sunday on this.
Hmm.
It was very one of my first, but now I can do this in 1 to 2 hours like that. At that
Okay.
time, I spent whole Sunday on this.
This was the first one you were saying.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
my
this
first.
is my first.
That reference I took, yeah, from Tinder. After that, I did this, and then I posted, and so I have come. If I
If I
compare
compare,
this painting with now Ganesha painting, I have showed you. So I have
Mhm.
come a long way for
Yeah.
myself, and I'm still exploring and learning things. I
So this
have
is the first
some
thing.
dotting tools I would like to show.
Yes, yes. I would stop sharing the screen now. Yeah.
Yes. So these tools are basically used when we do clay sculptures, like to give shapes, like rounding and all. So these are the tools which I use for dotting, small size, bigger size, and bigger size. These are actually used for sculptures and everything, for clay modeling and like that. So I use them for dot. Then these are nail art tools. In parlor, you can see they use these to do nail art, but we do get, I love them for dotting. They do give proper and very nice round dots. You can get these on Amazon easily, and these are the proper actual dotting tools. These I ordered from Amazon only. Remember, anything which has a flat base like this will give you dots. Okay, flat base. So these are proper actual dotting tools. These also I used. And also, if now you want to try it at home, you can go with earbuds or matchsticks or toothpicks. They also give nice dots. So this is my journey from being software engineer to artist. I'm as good as you guys. I won't say I'm a pro. I'm still learning, and so you can also explore. You can decide what's your forte and where you can do better and try new things.
Nice. Okay. Guys, if you have any questions for Sharayu, please ask. I have a few questions though. In the meantime, by the
Yes,
by the
sure.
time they give. Uh, how do you feel about uh, like how did it help you? Did this
Yeah,
article help
as
you?
I told, as you know, the time span involved in this, I told you it takes 9 hours to 3 hours. It has really helped me with it has increased my patience, and I have I am very short tempered, but it has helped me in anger management also. While placing each and every dot, it helps my concentration, and my patience have increased a lot with this dot form, and it helps to calm my mind and body. And sitting also increased, so which was not able to do while studying. I'm doing really great in this. So yeah, I'm enjoying this.
Okay. How much? How do you come up with concepts for these things?
Yeah, everyday inspiration. See here, I have used like fish here from nature. I have taken flower, as I showed you that rangoli pattern from South India, like Hyderabad. So yeah, everyday ideas and inspirations. Which and as I told whatever art form you want to, scribbling always helps. Always write down your ideas. Do doodling or scribbling. It helps a lot.
Okay. And so now you are trying to, I mean, you are looking forward to combine dot painting, mandala, and this thing, uh, mandala string art.
Yes. Yes,
Nice.
I'm going
Kalyani,
to
Kalyani on Instagram.
explore that string art plus dot paintings. Currently, I'm like short of supplies, but I will surely explore.
Soon, soon, soon.
I can experiment. We can experiment as much as we can.
Kalyani has a comment. I'm a big fan of your work. Artwork, एक second. Sharayu, God bless you and keep it up there. Yes, that would be awesome.
Thank you,
We have a
Kalyani.
question.
Thank you.
No. So, how to start mandala? Like the design? Like, how do you start with? What is the process?
Yeah, so as I showed you from one of my Insta feed, like on a normal paper also, just take a center, and with the help of protector, I mark 10 degrees angles, and with the help of compass, just draw symmetrical circles. As you proceed through circles, try placing patterns, and your mandala will get created. You can see one basic mandala grid on my feed, which we showed actually. So that's how I create. Yeah, again. Come down. Yeah, this one is the basic. See, I have first taken the center, and with the help of compass, I have marked 10 degrees angles with the help of protector, and then with the compass, just do symmetrical circles and go as per the patterns you want. This is the basic mandala grid. After that, these patterns you can fill in with whatever design you want. You can color them or you can keep it as it is. It's not tough. See, what I believe is whatever you do, be it like positive outcome or negative, it will be it will be purely yours. So I won't say it will be tough. Just don't compare your art form with other art forms. Whatever you do, it will be yours. It will be it. Like make it look like tough for others, but not for you, and enjoy the process.
What is the failure ratio? It's like how many times do you fail while creating art? Because like how does it work? How is the failure ratio? How do you deal with it?
Yeah, failure ratio is like quite a lot as we start, but like in this 2 years journey, I have learned, and I have tried to do. See, I don't look for perfect dots. What I believe is when it's hand painted, imperfection and whatever it is, whatever mistakes we do or imperfection. Yeah.
The toughest painting that you have created, which one was the toughest one, or which took the
Toughest one, okay, one I'm currently doing. I have taken, like I'm planning to do portraits, like dot painting on the form of portrait. So I'm now doing, it will get complete by Sunday. I'm doing one Shankara dot painting. So hopefully it turns out nice. You can check on my feed. So far that is very challenging for me. So let's see.
Pratika has a question on Zoom. Her question is, what do you use to draw a perfect dot?
As I showed you all my dotting tools, I will show you again. And these are all dotting tools I've used. And again, I would like to, whatever, see, this is a flat base. Flat base will always give you perfect dot. Even with, if you want to start at home, just start with pen, no back of pen. Just start with it. It will give perfect dot. Even earbuds or matchsticks, toothpicks you have at home, it will give you perfect dot. Anything that has flat surface will give you perfect dots. Kritika.
Devashish is asking what color material you used on ceramic cup and which type you use.
I have used, yeah, on canvas as well as on ceramics and glass. I use acrylic paints. What I like about acrylic paints is their thickness. So for dots, don't add water. The original thickness is very nice for dots. So I used acrylics directly from bottles, and it gives very nice dots. If you use water, it gets runny, and you won't get perfect dots. So use acrylic, and you can always seal it with varnish, or as I told you, Jugaad means transparent nail paint. Yeah.
On last question on Instagram or Zoom, please take it. Otherwise, we'll take the last question from my side again.
Yeah. After session also, if you guys come across any queries, you can always drop message on me on Instagram handle sh_dots.
I shared your Instagram profile with them.
Yeah,
Okay, I have one last question for you. Okay, do you want to share something otherwise from your side before I ask the question?
I'm like almost done. थोड़ी advertise बनती है. So if you guys want to learn dot painting, like little guidance, I'm conducting workshop this Sunday. You guys are welcome to join.
Just last question.
Yeah.
So this is the question I asked to every speaker.
Yeah.
What is one piece of advice that you give your
18-year to myself that
Vidya comes to say we are proud of your art.
Yeah, thank you, Vidya. Yeah, she's always supporting. She's one of my colleagues. So yeah, she has. Yeah. So what? Yeah, one piece of advice that I should have. Even though as a kid we all do scribblings and drawings. Advice, I would say, not advice, but I wish I would have realized this earlier, and then instead of going like for every other Indian kid engineering, I would have pursued. And it's okay, but okay, fine. I'm happy with whatever I'm doing, and I have a lot of time and lot to learn. So yes, I'm happy. It's okay. Like I won't say any advice. So whatever happens, happens for a reason. So there are no regrets. I'm enjoying. Okay. Hi, Rachana.
Okay. Okay. So we will stop our session, Abhi, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for joining, and thank you, Jim.
Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Shari, for a wonderful session.
Thank you.
I think a lot of people are going to contact you after this. Also, she has a workshop coming up on Sunday.
It's 14th June Sunday.
14th June Sunday. I'll share that screenshot.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay.
If you guys have any other queries, you can contact her. Her Instagram handle is sh.dots, or if you just Sharayu बोलिए. चलेगा. Thank you Sharayu. Thank you guys for. We have another session tomorrow at 1 p.m. by architect Shubhra Bhatkulkar, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. Thank you Sharayu.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.